Hello, Stevie here. Scraps glued over paper. YouTube and Etsy for junk journaling supplies and even collaging if that's what you're into. So I had to show you these. I was going through my pile. This is like video 3 or 4. And I found these chickens. So I got to keep the chickens for myself. And then I wanted to show you such a cool picture. I know you've probably seen these, but the camels are actually here. Right? That's great. Yeah, continuing on my stack of papers. This one looks like it might be a little easier to do. Oh, maybe not. What is this? That's kind of cool. Okay, upside down animals. Let's have a National Geographic. Yep. 1979. And these are all going to go in my color pile for putting in my packets. And then, oh, those are dryer sheets, or, yeah, dryer sheets. So let's put those over there. My scissors out of the way. And these, I think I kept these because they're different colors, but I think I'm gonna let them go. And my sister would be so proud. These I obviously cut out, nice fussy cutted out, so I will put them in the scraps. So I'm doing a little series, if I don't get interrupted by chickens or something, of 15 minutes. That's cool. 15-minute videos of going through my stack on the table. Let's see how many videos it takes. It'd help if I could just decide. Oh, that's a cool picture. Oh, the Man from Mars. Wasn't that a movie or a TV show? I can't read it. Oh, it's like a, what do you call them? Comics. Man, I don't know why it took me so long. Probably because I never read comics. Oh, those are nice. Those are nice. And, oh, that's a great wall of china. This is very vintage. I think it was oh, don't get me lying. I don't know. But obviously was an old book. You can tell by the colors in the pictures that it was old. And that is going to make some good ephemera for scraps packs. Ooh, I love blue. Every time I see blue, I go, ooh. I like bright colors too. So These look like they all have color, so they can go. What's this? Oh, I'm gonna put that in the people one, even though it's kind of not people, but sort of people. So, and then a little blue square. I'm obviously gonna do some glue books or glue collaging at some point in time. All right, where are we at? Oh, it looks like we can go through another one. People, black and white, black and white. But these have people. Put those there. I don't know why they're so mixed. Except for that's what I do. I go through stuff and then I mix them all up. And I don't know why I have these like dictionary pages in. Oh, look at the piggies. Oh, they're cut out. So we'll put them over there. And Pittsburgh. Probably should be doing this at night. It's such a cool day. I have the doors open, and it's only 71 or 2 degrees upstairs in the craft room loft, or loft studio, or craft room, whichever you prefer to call it. Ooh, architecture stuff I love. So, I'm trying to do the take it where it goes as soon as I find it. And put things away where they belong. It's much easier when you have a place for things for where they belong. Black and white. And of course I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, those are pretty trees. At least I left you with pretty trees. Black and white. Twins. And twinning. Yeah. Looks like the animal. So it says here. Yep, that's the Alamo. And those are people, famous people. So those are people. Cool. Oh, is that a 9? Let's see if that's a 9. Might have to go. Oh, did I say 10 or did I say 15 minutes? No, I'm pretty sure it was 10. So here's my spill. Here's the scraps glued over paper. Everything's in the description below, and I hope you like, subscribe, and share, and are enjoying my little go through things.